The ocean means connection. Almost all countries in the world are connected by this immense mass of water on which all species depend on. Not only marine species, but all sentient beings. My name is Flavio Well, and I'm in charge of communication at Océano's MCEC. I want to reach out to you, asking you to get involved and help us restore and preserve the marine ecosystems. There are so many ways in which you can get involved and bring a higher purpose, a higher meaning to your life. You can join us in our marine conservation expeditions. You can dive in the pristine waters of Costa Rica while carrying out scientific projects and learning about oceanic flora and fauna. While doing this, you'll have the peace of mind of knowing that the money will be reinvested into the sea, into the ocean. You can help us raise funds in your community, in your school, in your workplace, in your neighborhood. Raised funds will be directed toward education and awareness projects, programs in the rural areas of our country, Costa Rica, helping children and younger generations understand the impact of their actions. You can volunteer your time, whether in beach cleanups, our research projects, or fostering alliances with organizations, helping us to spread the word out. As legendary oceanographer Sylvia Earle said, "No water, no life. No blue, no green." Get involved, reach out to us. The health of the ocean, the health of our planet, of every person, every creature, depends on us, depends on you. No matter where you are or what is your background, you can make a difference.